Welcome. If you want to add widgets or remove widgets to or from your home screen in iPad mini 2021, at first you have to click and hold on the home screen and we are going to add widget. So tap on the left upper corner and we can pick, for example, this clock widget. So click on it once, just like that, and then you can pick the different theme of this clock. So I'm going for this one. Click to add widget. As you can see right now, it's on our screen. We can click and hold it to move between screens, just like that. I'm going to place it right here. Click down to attach to the screen, and here we have it. When you tap on it once, we are going to open widget that it's linked. We are going to open application that is linked with the widget. So in this case, we are opening the clock. And if you want to remove that widget, you have to click hold and then select remove widget. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.